Dear students, in this class, let me explain about nuclear fission. What is nuclear fission? So we know that in an atom, the center part of the atom is nucleus. It is also known as nuclide. So what is nuclear fission? So the definition is when a, when a nuclide is hit or collide or bombarded with a fast moving neutron, it decomposes or disintegrates as equal amount of the nuclei and large amount of energy liberated with fast moving neutrons. So this is known as nuclear fission. Fission means disintegrate or decompose. So let me take an example. We take an uranium nuclide. So uranium 92 to 35. This is uranium nuclide is collide with a fast moving neutron, one neutron. Then it decomposes as the first nuclide is barium 56 143. The second one is krypton 3690 and 3 neutrons liberated and 200 million electron volts energy liberated. Uranium 91 uranium atom, one uranium nuclide, that is uranium 92 to 35. Uranium 92 is atomic number, 235 is the mass number. So when this nuclide is heated or collide or bombarded with a fast moving neutron N01, it decomposes as two nuclides. The first one is barium, second one is krypton. Along these two nuclei, three fast moving neutrons liberated and 200 million electron volts energy liberated. So let's explain this concept in a diagram. So this is uranium nuclide. It is collided with a fast moving neutron. Then it decomposes as two nuclides. The first one is barium 56 143. Second one is krypton 3690. Along this, three fast moving neutrons are also liberated. So in this stage, 200 million electron volts energy liberated. So simply say 200 million electron volts energy liberated. So these three fast moving neutrons, another they ignited or collided three another uranium atoms. Then if they also liberated this uranium atom also liberated. This uranium also uranium 90 nuclide also decomposes krypton or barium. Then in this stage 3 into 200 600 million electron volts energy liberated. So this is first stage. So this is second stage. So among the three, so it gives another three neutrons, fast moving neutrons. So these three neutrons, another ignited, are followed with another three uranium atoms. Then energy liberated 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. 9 into 200, 1800 million electron volts in third stage. So this is a chain reaction. This is a chain. In chain reaction, huge amount of energy liberated, or very large amount of energy liberated. So this reaction is used in the construction of nuclear bombs. are also referred as atom bomb, which are used by army forces for the safety of the country. Used by army forces for the safety of the country in wars. Second one, this reaction used in the construction of nuclear reactor. We know that nuclear reactor which produce huge amount of electricity. So nuclear reactors. So these are the, so when chain reaction is not, when chain reaction when chain reaction in uncontrolled position, it acts as nuclear bomb. So when chain reaction is controlled, it acts as a nuclear reactor. So the nuclear reactor, we know that in cities in Maharashtra or Delhi or anything, many nuclear reactors are there. So in nuclear reactors, huge amount of energy, huge amount of electricity liberated and supplied to many cities. So nuclear bomb, we know that nuclear bomb it is used by the army forces for the safety of the country in wars. So this is nuclear fission. Fission means decomposition.